Hello, I'm Dr. Gary Duguay. Do you know that over 2.2 billion people around the world experience vision impairment? What's even more surprising is that at least 1 billion of these cases could have been prevented or at least are still unaddressed. Today we're focusing on a critical aspect of vision impairment, injuries to the eyes that lead to emergencies. Vision impairment due to injury can occur in several ways. Common causes are physical trauma, chemical exposure, and burns. Each of these can severely impact your vision and require immediate medical attention. Physical trauma includes injuries from accidents, sports, or falls where an object strikes the eye. For example, a basketball to the face or a metal shard from a workshop accident can cause significant damage. Trauma can lead to a range of problems from scratches on the cornea to more severe issues like retinal detachment or bleeding in the eye. Symptoms include pain, redness, blurred vision, or even loss of vision. If you experience an eye injury from trauma, it's crucial to seek medical attention immediately. Protect the eye with a clean cloth or shield and get to the emergency department as quickly as possible. In the emergency room, we'll perform a thorough examination to assess the damage, which may include imaging tests like a CT scan or an ultrasound. Treatment can vary from eye drops and medications to surgical interventions, depending on the severity of the injury. Chemical burns can occur when harmful substances come into contact with the eye. These injuries can cause severe pain, redness, and even permanent vision loss if not treated promptly. First step is to rinse the eye thoroughly with water for at least 15 minutes. This helps to dilute and remove the chemical. After rinsing, seek emergency medical care immediately, as treatment may include specialized eye drops, medications, or even surgery to repair the damage. Another significant cause of vision impairment from injury is burns. Eye burns can happen from exposure to intense heat or ultraviolet UV light, such as from welding or prolonged sun exposure without protective eyewear. Welder's flash or arc eye, for example, results from UV light reflecting off surfaces and damaging the cornea. Thermal burns can occur from hot liquids or surfaces. If you have an eye burn, it's essential to avoid rubbing the eye. For a UV burn, resting in a dark room and using lubricating drops can help ease the discomfort. For thermal burns, gently cooling the eye with a clean, cool cloth can provide some relief. However, you should still seek medical attention to assess the extent of the damage and receive appropriate treatment. In the emergency department, we may use special dyes and lighting to examine the burn and determine the best course of action, which may include pain management and medications to promote healing. Preventing these injuries is key to maintaining eye health. Always wear appropriate protective eyewear when participating in activities that pose a risk to your eyes, like sports or working with hazardous materials. Be cautious when handling chemicals, and use safety equipment to minimize exposure. Regular eye exams can also help detect any underlying issues that might be worsened by injuries. Eye injuries can lead to serious vision impairment, but timely and appropriate treatment can make a significant difference. If you experience an eye injury, don't wait. Seek medical attention immediately. Protect your eyes and stay vigilant to maintain your vision health.